Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do this quick 4 braided cornrow style into a bun I like to do whenever I know it's going to be hot outside, when I just want to have a protective style for the whole entire week. And it's super simple, super easy, so stay tuned and watch how I do it. So I did this on an old twist out that I didn't like the way it turned out. I had a lot of product build up from this new gel I used, so I figured I'd start here. I bought these jumbo Havana twists years ago at my local beauty supply store. They're good just to have lying around, and all you do is unravel them and then you have long pieces of hair. So the first thing we're going to do is part our hair into 4 sections. So you're going to have 1 part going down the middle and 2 parts going down the sides. And you want to make sure your parts are equal. The last thing you want is some lopsided braids. Put the EcoStyler Gel right where the part is and the hair is, so we can get that smooth and sleek look that we want for our braids. Alright, so now it's time to braid. So as you can see, I'm grabbing the edges of my hair and I'm going to start to braid it back until I get to about where my ear is, and that's where I'm going to add the hair. Want you back in my life, want you back in my life. Boy, why we wasting time? Why we always wasting time? I can be yours, you're mine. Let around we go, round around we go, round we go, round we go, round around we go. We take it slow, get to know where we are. Yeah.
My intuition is telling me that she open and ready for everything that I'm bringing in.
Now I'm at my ear, so this is where I know my braid is thick enough that I'm able to actually add the hair and have it blend into my hair, into my braid smoothly with a very nice transition. And don't worry, this might actually take you a few tries to try to blend the hair smoothly, and if you didn't catch it that time, I'm going to show you again on my next braid. So with my top 2 braids, I add my hair sooner than my ear because my braid gets thicker quicker. So here we go, we added the hair and we're going to blend it with our own hair as we continue to braid. And it doesn't matter how you leave the ends of your braids, you can leave them straggly like I am, because remember, we're going to put our hair in a bun anyways.
She's emotional. Made mistakes before and then she goes the door. Anything she wants, you know I got it for. Shorty, you the baddest, you the flyest though. And she knows it though. I never change, I rep the game, yeah. And shorty the same, might buy her a ring, yeah. All of my diamonds are hit, they go insane, yeah. And hers are the same, yeah. BB the chain, and my little bag, yeah. These hoes is choosing, but she's chosen. BDS the chain, her diamonds frozen. Rather chill with you, I get the rose up. When I be with you, I got you over. I got a homie, yeah, I got a homie. Your friends, they say I ain't shit, why? Them hoes is lonely. Shawty, pop bags, I got it lit, I got it lit. Hop in a whip, foreign drive, I'm making shit. She's emotional. Made mistakes before and then she closed the door. Anything she wants, you know I got it for. Shorty, you the baddest, you the flyest though.
We're at the ear, so we're gonna add that hair one more time.
When no one is around you, say baby I love you. I ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. But it's sudden change. Say my name, say my name. When no one is around you, say baby I love you. I ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady.
Alright, so get your scrunchie and put it into a bun. I like to actually wrap my hair around and then kind of pin it. But you can definitely make your bun however you feel comfortable. Now this part is optional. I just got this mousse and I was trying to show off, but as you can see I couldn't even get the mousse out. This is optional. I like it because it makes my hair nice and hard and I can wear it for the rest of the week. Sometimes gel isn't enough, especially when I work out and I sweat. So I like to mousse my hair down, but this is optional for you. So I wrapped my hair and I had to be somewhere in literally 30 minutes. So I only wrapped my hair for about 20 minutes. I went and got dressed, put my makeup on, and got my life together.
What is your can a player just keep in touch? Back bros like you ain't been touched. Show us all how to really be in love. Give me your number and I'll call. And I'll follow that ass in the mall.
So we're gonna add those finishing touches, get that makeup around the edges, and we're good to go.
I'ma eat it up, yeah, I'ma beat it up, yeah. JC blonde, so she cold, I'ma heat it up, yeah. I'm a Philly nigga, but I show.
Alright y'all, so here's the finished look. I told you, super simple, quick, and easy. So if you liked this natural hair tutorial, please like the video, comment, and subscribe. More natural hair videos will be coming soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Every time you leave, girl, I miss you all over. I wanna lay you down, kiss you all over. Drunk off your love, little mama, I ain't